Okay, I got the craziest catch the other day. So the other day we were checking our set lines. We got about 6 of them out, and we caught this fish, and he looked like an albino, but he wasn't. You'll see him out here in a second. But I gotta catch him. I'm pretty sure there's a different fish trying to eat him. So he's not an albino. Maybe I can catch him here. There he is. I got a couple fish in here. 2 catfish. Both about 10 pounds. There's one. There's the other one. There's the one that looks like an albino. Isn't that weird?